Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send encrypted email in Outlook web app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to outlook.cloud.microsoft. Once you enter the URL, you'll be taken to the Microsoft Outlook web app login page. Go ahead and sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to your inbox and all the email features you need to send encrypted messages. After your email interface is loaded and you can see your inbox, you're ready to start creating an encrypted email. Direct your attention to the top section of your screen where all your main menus and tools are displayed. Look for the New Email button and click on it. This will open up a fresh email composition window, typically appearing on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll compose your message and apply encryption to protect your sensitive information. Now, here's the important part where you'll add encryption to secure your email. In the email composition window, look at the toolbar located at the top. You'll see various tabs and options available. Click on the Options tab to reveal additional settings for your email. This tab contains advanced features that aren't visible in the default composition view. Once you're in the Options section, scan through the available choices until you find the Encrypt option, which is represented by a lock icon. Click on the drop-down menu next to this lock icon. From the list that appears, select Encrypt. This action immediately applies encryption to your email, ensuring that only the intended recipient will be able to read the contents. You'll notice that once you've applied encryption, a small lock icon or indicator appears at the top of your email composition window. This visual confirmation lets you know that your message is now protected and will be sent securely. With encryption successfully applied, you can now compose your email as you normally would. Type your message in the body section, add your recipient's email address in the To field, and include a clear subject line that describes your message. All of this content will now be encrypted when you send it, protecting sensitive information from unauthorized access during transmission. Once you've finished writing your email and double-checked your recipients, simply click the Send button. Your encrypted email will be delivered securely to the recipient, who will need proper authentication to view the contents. And that's it. You've successfully sent an encrypted email through Outlook web app, adding an extra layer of security to your communication. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.